They didn't watch the match.
They don't know how to do, and neither does Lakshmi Sagar. So it'll be the first meeting, fines meeting for them. But fines meeting is a concept that, at least to me, was different. I learned it in, I turned 50 quite a few years ago. And for that, I went to South Africa with a different team. They invited me to join them to play cricket there. And I went there. And there, the tradition is that after the game, the both teams get together. And somebody is a fines coordinator. And they just kind of say something. And everybody is able to respond and talk. And it becomes a very democratic kind of a thing, where everybody is able to say something. Otherwise, in a team, there are 2 or 3 guys who are able to talk and they communicate and suck up all the oxygen. And there's some guys who are just sitting in the background. Lakshmi Sagar will never have a say because he is inherently shy, maybe new to the team or whatever, but he will never have a say. But in this case, in a fines meeting, everybody kind of is able to put their point forward. And then when he's saying nobody else can talk, that allows people to kind of, okay, you know what, maybe I have a blind spot, so this is what it is. So that's the real essence of the fines meeting. Sometimes it goes for too long, but today we'll keep it as short as possible because he's a father and he needs to go back to his daughter? Son, yeah. So with that, I'm going to start with Midun. You pick 2 guys that you can find, and the finds can be like something unique, something different. Not you took a good catch or you did this because that's expected. Something different that you feel that's unique, and it can be you pick 2 people and then just say that, and that everybody has to do that. And Hasan ji, कुछ भी सोच लो. And Shravan ji, आप भी सोच लेना.
Does it have to be recorded?
And you, Sonal ji, you get 5 people.
Exactly.
Including your husband.
She knows what it is.
सोनल के लिए
Doesn't have to be.
सोनल के लिए लंबी होती है.
Yeah, I know.
Doesn't have to be about the match.
उनको 5 बार फाइन कर लो आप.
Off the field, on the chat, WhatsApp chat is okay too. And you can find Lakshmi Sagar for never saying anything on the chat. और जो भी फाइन होगा ना, you have to pay that money.
मैं लक्ष्मी नहीं हूँ, मैं सागर खा रहा हूँ.
Tell me them. Let's go quick.
I'll take a dollar.
Oh, nice spoon.
रणवीर
स्पून चाहिए चम्मच चाहिए.
मिथुन भाई थोड़ा लाउड.
कितना अच्छा फादर है, चम्मच दे रहा है रेत खाने को.
मिथुन भाई थोड़ा.
Messi नहीं just hold.
वो देख दिया उसने, देख लो.
वो करना
Okay,
है.
guys, let's stay so that.
मिथुन भाई लाउडर.
Then I'll take a $1 fine for Raja also. It was great that he brought all the beers and we drank everything. And the food. All the
And the music.
And he brought freaking rye. He didn't bring a scotch.
No, I think that's Ashish.
Okay.
You were there, huh?
नहीं टेबल का.
Table का. Ashish का.
मेरा कुछ नहीं.
Thank you for that, Raja. That's it.
I'll keep this bottle empty.
मैं बोलूं,
हाँ बोलो.
फाइन करना है, जरूरी करना है.
आप भी ले सकते हो.
I find you. I have to.
Was it?
You started to drink beer before the game ended. I wanted to drink. I was thinking, should I consider on batting or drinking beer?
दोनों नहीं किया आपने. फिर भी नहीं किया बैटिंग.
नहीं, इधर का छोटा ना उधर का छोटा.
You were good,
All right. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
$1.
Yeah, what else?
Any other person?
No.
Simran.
I'm still thinking.
ठीक है. Tata sir.
Fine, yeah, मैं तो इनको फाइन कर दूँ. Right? And not about cricket thing. I think you're not together somehow. Right? Even when you're talking this morning, I think we were talking about World Cup T20 Pakistan this. You know टीम कैसे बनती है? एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं. क्यों बनती है? कोई खाना का कर रहा है. Or maybe there are few guys. छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. पर फी देने के लिए I have to ask uncle ji at the end of the day. Soul pay. So something is missing. It's our like it's a like basic thing. Basic thing is the most difficult. Forget about executing basic thing on the cricket field. We can't execute in managing things. So I think I'm going to find everybody. So I'm done. Yeah.
Limit. No, per person. So your job is to remember all the fines.
Write it.
Yeah, and you're gonna post it on WhatsApp. That's the way you're gonna post something on the WhatsApp. Shalini ji. Alright. Sono ji.
So I'll like go to where. First तो राजा के लिए ये फटी हुई बैग में आपको वो दारू नहीं लेके आनी।
Great fine.
राजा की नहीं है आशीष। तो बस फिर आपको फाइन ये है कि आलू पूरी को जो भी है ना पेंडिंग वो आपको करना है। Right?
Thank you for reminding him that.
इतनी अच्छी दारू की शराब की बोतल अगर गिर जाए उसमें से कुछ हो जाए ब्रेक हो जाएगी क्या रह जाएगा
दारू पीने वाला कुछ हो जाए गाड़ी छोड़ देगा बस दारू बोतल doesn't matter.
Look at this. Shameful. Sharam kar. Great fight. This is a great fight.
No bottle. I'm more worried about that. Because that's really good bottle. You know.
Yeah.
फिर
And it's a historic bottle.
next
Pittsburgh.
fine, विक्रम जी आपको
हाँ जी.
वो गाने आप इतने
चल रहे थे
मोटिवेट दूसरी टीम होगी.
लगान के गाने थे
इतनी
टेंस सिचुएशन चल रही है और गाने में चल रहे थे
वो रहने दे तो सब
वो तो लास्ट में था ना 21 रन है 1 ओवर है.
you have to play some good powerful music. That's it. Yeah. और I think that's it for now.
दिलीप और पराग को भी करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं दीपक जी actually said you know that दिलीप के लिए तो है फाइन $5.
मेरे
Lucky Sagar.
Or at least more than 30-35 runs.
पराग को भी करना चाहिए
Right?
सीजन में क्या एक गेम में?
एक गेम.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
30-35 is the minimum I'm saying. Right?
चलो आपने बहुत रिड्यूस कर दिया 70 से.
So that's Parag के लिए fine है. Parag, you shouldn't lose your patience. You tried that good reverse sweep. वो जब क्लिक नहीं हुई तो next ball you should have actually played defend करते तो भी चलता था.
सही है.
Right? But that reverse sweep, I know you're not Azharuddin.
IPL देख देख के
You know cricket better than tennis.
तो रोहित शर्मा की तरह खेल
रोहित शर्मा ने
रोहित शर्मा तो ऐसे खेलता नहीं कभी.
See, the
मरता-
reverse sweep was
लगते
by
नहीं है.
Azharuddin. बाकी के सब जो मारते हैं ना वो कुछ there is no technique. The reverse sweep, anybody, all of you guys can watch the Azharuddin का reverse sweep. That's it. Right? That's a
4 ही हुए हैं 5 में एक रह गया.
एक
लक्ष्मी सागर को पकड़ लो.
You're the least responsive person, na?
हमेशा होते हैं, right? 12th man or something. He's going to play and he never plays. Is that the बंदा?
नहीं 12th man था वो आया नहीं तो if you're 12th man you don't show up you'll be 12th man till you show up.
Yes.
So आज भी शो अप किया पर चिट्टी वर्दी में.
But
और वो भी नहीं.
वर्दी ने मिली इसके वर्दी है नहीं इसका फाइन मैं ले सकता हूँ.
he should get a red t-shirt. That's it. बाकी का तो नहीं, but he should have.
वो भी आशीष का फाइन है.
मेरे पास था एक रेड.
चलो
ऑर्डर कब का चला गया?
अमेजिंग आई मीन
I know,
बेस्ट.
sorry. आपको
हसन
अच्छे
जी,
गाने चूज करने हैं, but that's it. At least vocal नहीं है.
मैं आपके साथ कंसल्टिंग करूंगा इसके. हसन जी ਤੁਸੀਂ चलो.
I'm still thinking.
ओके. चल भैया कवल यू गो.
Everyone wants to listen from Kawal today.
guys और let's kind of have him talk.
किसको करना है? I will take a fine off actually. $1 off. Simrandeep, he was batting very good actually. And I was doing the leg umpiring and I haven't seen him bat like at least he was trying to hit. It was just
वो
the
तो
running
है.
part you need to work on basically because of fitness. So that
बैट भी अच्छा था इसके पास.
हाँ नहीं वो जो भी भाई कर रहा
फिटनेस बोलनी जरूरी थी.
हाँ नहीं
पता नहीं है.
good one from the batting point of view. I've never seen you bat like that. I think fine किसको करना है यार? सारे बैट्समैन फाइन कर देते हैं.
करते हैं. अपने आप से शुरू कर.
नहीं मैं भी win कर I will find Parag Bhai actually because he was said he should have finished the game. He should not have done whatever. Got out at the wrong time. So if he was there, because he was set almost around 50, we should have easily won because we had people like Deepak Paji and all, so we could have won it. So $1 fine for us.
A bit liberal.
एक
He is a multi-millionaire.
rich doctor.
$1 million.
घटोघट 5 रुपए.
He's the doctor. He doesn't have any safety for any patient.
He was the captain of the.
He's a multi-million doctor.
Chalo. Okay. Let's go up. Yeah. That's good. ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ?
No, I'll बाकी things.
Dilip.
I'll find actually him today because that run out was basically bad for the team. And you were basically touching the bat on inside the crease and staying outside. So he was knowing that you were going to go out, and that's why he should have given warning and all those stuff. But our situation was we should have been there. Like
I have never experienced this kind of thing in MSCL, and I didn't thought that someone will even try that without even a single warning. And
Chalo,
I wasn't even trying to
Lakshmi
steal
Sagar?
a single or anything like
It was not a direct question, and he still spoke for $2 more for Kawalji.
that.
so,
Yeah.
but the reason why I was finding you right because the situation was very crucial, and you are staying there right in the crease was very important for the team.
I think whatever happened is good for you and for the
That was the reason.
good for you for the future.
And small
And
things.
good for the
Right?
team.
We were talking, Raja, and we were talking about all those like small things where we were making mistakes. Those are okay. If we improve on some of the small things, I think we are not taking catches. We are not fielding properly. These things basically will help us in that. Right? So that's why. That's it.
Right?
Dilip stole my point, so but I'm going to just still reiterate Kamal's
No,
run out. But
somebody
I'm not finding him. But on the same note, I would find Shaker about the same thing. Like your running between the wickets is so under par. Like you miss runs and
You're
I
not
think-
taking
I think
starts.
That
Yeah,
is a very
that was true.
easiest thing. You can hit shots, you can run, you're fit. Everything else, it's just a such small thing of basics of running between. You should improve that. I'll fine you for that.
We missed couple of
How many
runs
dollars?
because of that.
I'll file him $1 and see next time if he doesn't, I'll increase. But for now,
Anybody else?
and then next fine I'll do Parag. Like I pumped up everyone. Like Parag is there. Don't
For show
like,
off that reverse shot.
Yeah. So
Show
Parag
off.
जब तक नहीं out होता सब लोग उसको कोशिश करो. And the next one gets out is Parag. So disappointing Parag.
Vikram.
Okay, I will find Parag and myself because we were settled kind of there in the middle and we should have finished the game, which we did not. The second fine I will give to all the fielders who dropped the catch today. We should have been chasing 140, 150 rather than 194. I understand 194 is chaseable in this environment and on this pitch, but we should have been chasing 150.
Papadi कोई फाइन करना? No fine. Observing. Lakshmi Sagar. Now you know the drill. Go for it.
Fine Vikram.
No, I'll take the fine off from everyone because it was very nice game. I mean,
You have to give
whatever the games
everyone
that I watched.
means you have $25 you have to give to the club.
Oh, I see.
So think before you speak.
Oh, I see. I'll take $1 fine because everyone played really good game today. Whatever games that I have watched till now, it was a good game.
Ashish.
And I'll pass.
पास नहीं है उन्हें वो
हो गया?
हाँ। पास का टाइम चल गया
Parag?
no but no more passing.
I'm gonna fine Dilip $2. You need to bat. It's been 3 games. That's more than enough for you to pick it up. We could have won this game easily today. Kaval, I'm gonna find you another $2. Need to keep our cool. Lose the steam.
Thunderak.
Thunderak.
Yeah, I forgot about it. I would find it.
Oh, okay. You done?
That's it for me. Two fines.
Right.
Yeah, one I'll find myself, obviously. A mental mistake should not happen. And then I'll take fine for DC because the way this ground played today was fantastic. All thanks to DC for coming and making this ground so good for us. Thanks,
Oh,
DC.
I thought I was. ऐसे में गुस्सा हो रही थी कि pickleball. I didn't know he was at the ground cutting the grass.
हाँ इनको बारिश बारिश कर देना इनके घुटने दर्द कर रहे हैं
गुस्सा हो रही थी 3-4 दिन से.
This is 4 दिन.
हफ्ते चलते हैं.
very nice Parag Mithun
सुनाई नहीं दिया था उसका वो अलग बात है.
I'll be finding Dhruv and Mithun. So I was a leg umpire there. So what I observed is they like since the beginning they just started hitting. Even if you got like a boundary or something, they still kept on trying to hit. Did not try to rotate, which was kind of like I observed is like they need to keep rotating instead of like keep moving for like another big shot out. And second thing is like I will find Kaval and Vikram Paji is because I try to put a nice song that Keda Jump Ya Surma Right when I had that song like to be turned on, you both got out.
Vikram Paji put that song just for you.
दो judges they're both
दोनों
done
जट्टा ने तुझे नाराज कर दिया
Ranveer.
वाह उन्होंने बहुत कोई याद नहीं आना like right when I was like I told
You did not even play.
turn it on like when they hit a nice shot right you both came out.
पाने की चॉइस पे 2 कमेंट आ गए, 2 फाइन आ गए.
मैं कहा चलो विक्रम पाजी आ गया कवल की बारी में लगाते हैं तो ये भी बेचारा वो like,
फेस हो गया
उस चक्कर में आ गया.
चल जी
$1 fine to people. You say that the team needs to be cohesive together. That you need to play more. So that's
Yeah, baby.
$5 फाइन.
Missing in
5
action.
कर लो चलो.
नहीं अच्छा क्या बॉस्टन किस टीम के लिए
GSC
हाँ जी हाँ
हमारी
ये
team
मैं
के लिए.
थोड़ा क्लैरिफाई कर दें कि इनसे बॉल के लिए न्यूजीलैंड भी जाके खेले डैलस डूलर्स ह्यूस्टन
I'm
खेलते
tired of
रहते
it. I'll take this any day now. I'm done with Masters. And $2 fine will it to you.
ये कुवैत भी जा रहे हैं अगले
Because
हफ्ते
Pallavi and Arjun need
Dubai,
to
Dubai.
show up here
Okay.
as the VGSC team. So they need to make an effort. I will text her, but they need to be here. We need to see her more on the ground.
कितने डॉलर दो $5
No, 2 ही है. 5 कर लो.
$5
पाँच
5 on
चलो महंगा हो
ये माफ किया मेरी.
महंगाई बढ़ रही है.
So now you need to charge Pallavi that because it's her fault.
Dhruv.
जी
Fine.
I'll charge Kaval only for losing his phone. Fine you also. So I'll
Charge.
get more.
ओ तानु भी जॉन अकाउंट तो निकलना
घर के पैसे
ఫైన్స్ ఓకే అది మట్టిన మొబైల్ షీ ఏట్ అ స్టోన్ తీసారా
गंदी गालियां दे रहा था ये.
so you're recording everything
And
right
I missed it.
उसको कूल करने के लिए मैंने उसको अंपायरिंग के लिए भेज दिया.
मैंने बोला बैट लेके जा सकता है.
विकेट उखाड़ लेता
तूने मेरी वो शॉर्ट रन देखा था
होगा मैंने तो इनका भी ऑलमोस्ट इधर था बॉल है ना नो बॉल नहीं था तो मैं तो पहले तो हाथ खड़े करने वाला था नो बॉल मैं क्या चल रहा है
शॉर्ट ही हो
बाउंसर था
हाथ खड़ा करके ऐसे करता
हाँ नहीं है तो मतलब हैंड के नीचे
मेरी वाली वो 1 बाउंस हो गई
तेरा और नीचे था
चलो आप ध्रुव से चलते हैं ध्रुव
So I'm gonna fine Vicky $1. The game was still on, and he could have finished the game. Again, Mithun not scoring a 50 this time when he was just cruising through the run rate. I mean, for Vikram, partnership was going good. I got out, and it's okay if I go to the pavilion, you don't have to follow me.
तो कितने में जब 5 चल रहा है
Yeah, I get out, he gets out. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I saw he scored many runs after he left.
लास्ट गेम में तो मारे थे ना.
इसकी फॉर्म खराब होगी जब टोपी उतार के बोला कि हेलमेट पहन ले
तो हेलमेट पहन के लाया
हां डूड दे आस्क मी बिफोर मी
तो फोर्स practice
that's really
practice
close,
with the helmet.
Yeah.
Vikram ji, can you ask Papaji to say
You should
something?
practice.
he doesn't want to
Yes.
I did ask.
You do practice with them. Same.
All right, Shekhar.
I want to find Nitin Bhai, Dilip Bhai for dropping catches.
He wants to find.
Drop.
Yeah.
एक और भी है. Pick में.
Jogi Bhai.
I did drop too.
So,
Guys. Somebody soft spoken. You have to just not speak.
so I mean, every game we want to do our best. No one drops anything intentionally. Everyone wants to do their best. But regulation catches तो छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. I mean, happens, but it shouldn't happen. Kind of that, and I want to take $1 fine for getting out at that moment. Like मुझे carry on करना चाहिए था. मैंने इतना खेला ball, so it's time to kick on from there. So which I didn't do. That's one thing, and one for Parag Anna for. So the bowler, I mean, he's one bowler who is bowling really well. Is getting that spin and dip. So only 2 balls left of his bowling. So बाद में like कोई spinner नहीं था, so it could have like really cruised us to win. So for that I'm fine.
Thank you. Great.
They didn't have fifth.
Lakshmi Sagar?
So they were
Good.
using it so many people, right?
You did. कौन रह गया? Shravya.
थोड़ा सा busy.
Busy. पकड़ो. So I'm going to start with Dhruvi. आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी गई थी कि अभी कुछ करो. कहता मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा. So $5 फाइन. इसका कुछ करो. I mean इतने कान खा जाता है कि मुझे ये हुआ वो हुआ, उसकी bowling है वो spin करेगा, you know. कुछ करो यार. All you have to do is put ladies are there for you to get the job done. You don't have to do anything. It's like type 3 लफ्ज़ करने हैं. नहीं हुआ. $5. Vikram, you came for practice this week? Yeah. Right. So $2 fine for me. You are an amazing cricketer. Your bowling, batting, fielding, everything is good. Superb. Great to have you on the team. अपना
Shekhar.
Thank you. कितने वाइट थे आज? $3 fine. Lakshmi Sagar, $2 fine for having a white shirt or a colored uniform again.
सब आशीष से कलेक्ट कर लेना आप बाद में.
Ashish Sagar. Ashish Wadhwa. You know, Ashish Wadhwa. Obviously, he's going to play in the first playoff game this team gets to, but this was a game that he was the 14th person. He should have been here at 10:30. He was not, so $5 fine for him. Parag Ananta, amazing to play with you consistently, you know, excellence. So you know, $2 fine for me on that because it is. I think I think all of us are hurting, but you're hurting the most. So I think it's good. So take that. Next time you're not going to get out. We know that, and that's going to help. So it's good. Jogi, you're doing brilliantly. You're hurting everywhere. Your body is like a rickshaw with no axle. You know, डावाडोल है. मुझे बहुत दुख हो रहा था कि आपको bowling दे रहा हूँ, पर no, I want to.
No, thanks to my doctor. He said, don't worry, it's just the age.
$2 fine. Unnecessary talk.
पुराना रिक्शा.
चलते रहने दो, नहीं तो बंद गिर जाए.
So इसका ढांचा ऐसे चल रहा था.
No, because of him, I learned something how to use my both leg differently. No, it's not a joke. It's serious. I was trying, so it was hurting here, right? So if you see, I was running. Like when I was putting step, I was not putting weight on it. But when I my action was more on the right.
Other leg.
So last 2 over, I used this leg.
Oh, yeah.
Still
guys.
they don't.
Your action was great, but your axle was off.
टुक टुक रिक्शा.
No, मैं तेरी बात तो सुनी भी नहीं मुझे. दूसरी टीम वाले अगर मेरे को कह रहे हैं ना गुड बॉलिंग तो कुछ तो ठीक ही होगा।
एनकरेज भी करते हैं वैसे कई बार।
बहुत अच्छा था।
सो मिथुन, सो ये इसने तो कहा कि भी मैंने तो सरेंडर, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मैं तो किसी काम का नहीं हूँ, तो वो सब ठीक है, बट यू नीड टू स्टेप अप नाउ, राइट? बिकॉज it's been like, listen, ladies are here, everybody is here, we need to step up. Food में I think basic तो हमने कर दी है, rice, chawal, chicken, whatever, but we can do better, right? And we have done better in the past. There should be some cocktail, something for if the ladies are coming, we need to take care of that. So if somebody is not doing it, you step in, and I expect you to do it. So $5 fine. Lakshmi Sagar, उनके लिए।
मुझे थोड़ी देर में लग रहा है आप इसका नाम भूल जाओ।
LS.
I didn't know that you guys are coming. I would ask family.
हमारा भी गेम चल रहा था, राइट? जल्दी नहीं आए घर पे तो।
अच्छा, do you come for practice this week?
I will come.
Did you come this week?
I came, yes.
ठीक है, कोई चक्कर नहीं। $2 fine for me. Excellent bowling. How many wides? 2. How many no balls? 1. So $4 fine.
1 no ball with the 2 runs.
Exactly. So $5 fine, please.
5 हो गए।
Extra 5.
Chadda Saab, how many games you missed this year?
2 games I missed.
So
I was
$5
available
fine.
for this game I played.
So $5 fine, but exceptional bowling. Exceptional bowling. These guys have been like, we have had like 9 or 12 bowlers bowl, but he bowled 8 overs, 1 wide, because the first game of the season for him, for Gymkhana. And how many runs?
25.
Super.
And 4 wickets, right?
4 wickets.
4, right?
Yeah, 4. And like 3 drop catches.
महीने पकड़ लेते तो 5 भी हो जाते।
Shalini ji, what can I say? You're just simply amazing. So $2 fine for us. Sonal ji, exceptional fines. So $3 fine. Hassan ji, for the cakes, cake and everything, amazing. $2 fine for me. रख रहे हो? कितने हो गया? 50 हो गया? दिलीप,
कवल।
ठीक है।
और क्या आएगी?
तुम बार-बार ये गिलास भरवाते हो, बड़े गिलास में।
I don't know what to tell you. Do you come for practice this week?
I practiced 3 times today, this week.
Did you come for the practice session? So $2 fine for me. You're trying hard. You played really well today.
I started
and, you
well.
look good. It's good. Rai Tumla, $2 fine for me. He was not on the team, and he made the vegetarian food, rice, whiskey, which he brought, but you got the credit for. So it's all good. So Kawal, keep the fire burning. I think it's very important to have that intensity. ये जो होती है ना, when you're at the peak, you are reaching the peak of your cricketing abilities.
He is playing
you're
well,
doing
yeah.
really well. But I think use that, because Parag, Dilip, for a decade, they dominated Massachusetts, you know, and many other people in this table did. You have the ability. So thodi ji kashish hai hai, and so when you're batting, make it count. When you're bowling, make it count. Your team is what your team is. You have people who will take catches, people who would not take catches, but stick with it. So I think thoda dheer rakhna na, the patience, the letting go, I think is going to be very important, because that's going to make you a great cricketer, right? Other than a good cricketer, and you have the ability right now. So do it, because I think we're very proud of what you did last year. This year also doing well, but I think you can do better. And the next 3 or 4 years are going to be good. Hassan ji, sorry, so you're not going to see him for many weekends on the next few summers, but I think he's going to be very happy, and will be very happy. So cheers, that's all I have to say.
जिनकी बीवी है ना, हम उनकी तारीफ ज़्यादा करते हैं।
नहीं तारीफों के पुल ज़्यादा बनवाओगे आप ना?
फ्री आने देंगे ना?
आने देंगे ना।
बंद कर दूं क्या उसको? पॉज करो, बंद कर दे ना।